Hey guys, we're here today, Ohio Turnkey. Check us out, ohioturnkey.com, and we bought another 3-bed, 2-bath house here. Lovely brick ranch. Neighborhood is 175, 180, 190, typically for the upper end, down to 130, 140. And we do exactly what we love. We happen to be right in the middle there. We're 155, 160. Rent will be somewhere between $1,450 and $1,550. We haven't done our final research, so kind of just stopped by this house randomly to meet our project manager, Don. He just took off. So we don't have all of the facts and the figures. We're not here for that. Just here to show you kind of the bread and butter property that we look for. We're 1,400 square foot, again, 3-bed, 2-bath. We do have a basement there. It is semi-finished, so you have some extra space down there. But it's more about the importance of the communities and where we're at. Atrium Medical Center was like top 100 ranked hospital in the entire world, nation, not world, sorry. My doctor just told me that the other day, and he's not even affiliated with them, so he's not lying, I swear. And even more important, right across the street, we just had a brand new Kettering medical facility built, and you're talking 2.5 minutes away from right here. New movie theater supposedly coming with a bunch of expansion and retail development plans. 65,000 square foot office space is almost completed, about 1.5 minutes around the corner. But yeah, we are truly, like I said, 200 feet that way to one school, 500 feet that way to the high school. People just love the area, and we love to buy these houses. So
small town USA.
Small town USA, exactly. Your average neighbor area here, like here's the cool thing about owning a rental here. It is a very high homeowner area, so you're one of the few rentals in here. So you have a lot of benefits to that. I mean, one of the obvious benefits is that people take great care of their homes. It's not a community where 50 or 60% of the people are renters. I would say less than 15, maybe even less than 10% of people here are renters at the very most. So a lot of homeowner, a lot of pride, a lot of small town pride, a lot of support for the schools and the levies and the local community and all of that. So just exactly what we like to buy.
Of all the cars, there's only 3 dirty ones in the whole neighborhood.
Exactly.
Brand new clean,
Yeah.
clean.
Nice trucks, nice everything, yeah.
Nichelle's is the dirtiest vehicle on
I
the
know,
road.
right?
So.
We're the bums because we're in construction. That's pretty normal, right? The cobbler's shoes. We're always the one that doesn't have the cleanest of stuff because we make everybody else's stuff perfect instead. But no, seriously, just another awesome house. It'll have a brand new roof. We'll have a few new windows going on. We've already got brand new insulated garage doors, so they'll stay. Major landscape cleanup. We won't go there for now, but you should see the backyard. It's over 1/2 acre and it goes way on back. Very nice yard for kids to play in. This is a $42,000 to $45,000 remodel, and that's just because we spend a ton to make them super nice. And what that means for you is no deferred maintenance. We're not hiding anything. You're welcome to do inspections anytime you want. Love you guys. Have a good day. ohioturnkey.com. Reach out to us anytime. We got Nichell behind the camera, Tony over here, Bryan, and if you have any questions, just reach out. Again, www.ohioturnkey.com. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye. Stay up that way. I'm trying to stay down here.
Yeah, well, that's a little bit weird. We could do the Obama or the John McCain photo, or no, who is it? Not McCain. Somebody is like always behind him, like flirting with the girl, sucking on the ear and stuff. We could do that one. So.
Biden,
thank you. Yeah, Obama, Biden. There we go. All right, we live again.
Yep. Oh, we never?
We've been live the whole time. We don't fit. All right, so anyway, Tony, we were cutting off on, so screw you. Barbecues, thankfully it is March, and we are freezing today. It was like 70 the other day.
It's April.
Now, what?
It's April.
Oh, shit. It's April.
April?
It's April, yeah, April 1st, April
Oh my
Fools.
goodness.
April Fools, right?
Oh, we should have did.
They probably thought I wouldn't even show up for this video because it was April Fools, and I didn't. I was 30 minutes late, so they're probably like, yeah.
I was concerned when you told us to meet you. I'm like, is he really?
Yeah, if I'd have remembered, I would have. But no, the point is, I don't remember what the point is because we got off track. The point is, I'm freezing, so we're going to wrap this up here in a second because it's April 1st, and it was like 70 the other day in Ohio, and now it's 37 or some crap.
It's 32 right now.
I don't even know that.
There was ice in the yard this morning.
This is how dedicated we are to you, to getting you great quality properties and meeting our rehab manager here.